This classic whistle-stop presentation is brought to you by Out West. Love the West? So do we. Click the icon or go to scvoutwest.com.
A whistle-stop special feature. Memorable moments in railroading. August 11th, 1984. Maplewood, New Jersey. The retiring of the Lackawanna Electrics. A nostalgic round-trip train ride from Maplewood to Morristown, New Jersey was held, along with an auction of Lackawanna rail memorabilia. A large crowd turned out for the event. Even some public service buses, the forerunner of New Jersey Transit, with their original livery, showed up to wish the Electrics a well-deserved retirement. After serving the public for over 50 years on the Morristown line, they were being replaced by a fleet of modern trains. Balloons were distributed before departure, as well as hats that were replicas of those worn by trainmen. On September 3rd, 1930, with Thomas A. Edison at the controls, the first 3,000-volt DC suburban commuter electric train to serve northern New Jersey left Hoboken bound for Montclair. Hundreds watched as the new standard of train commuting was set. These same cars have served the sons and daughters of the first generation of commuters to ride the Lackawanna Electrics for more than 50 years. New Jersey Transit's fleet of electric multiple-unit passenger cars used then on the Morristown line, the Montclair branch, and the Gladstone branch have for most of their life been known as the Lackawanna Electrics. Placed in service over 50 years ago by the Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western Railroad, these passenger cars brought the commuter a quick, clean, efficient way of commuting using electric propulsion. Olive green in color with steam locomotive headlights and rattan seats, the Electrics successfully made the transition from the days of steam to the diesel age, all the while providing a punctual service that was the envy of other railroads. As the Lackawanna Electrics neared their well-earned retirement, another chapter in the history of commuting in New Jersey came to a close. The Lackawanna Railroad designed its MUs, the Electrics, for rugged service, requiring just basic maintenance. They were constructed of copper-bearing steel. Round-edged aluminum interior parts were used wherever possible to avoid injuries and minimize rust. For ease in cleaning, the floors were constructed of composite and the seats of rattan. The design criteria used produced a car able to offer dependable service. The Lackawanna Electric 3,000-volt DC multiple unit was 70 feet, 1 1/2 inches in length, 13 feet, 6 1/2 inches in height. Its maximum speed was 70 miles per hour and was powered by four 1,500-volt DC motors rated at 255 horsepower each. Their acceleration rate was 1.5 miles per second. The average weight per car was 148,200 pounds, and the seating capacity was 84 people. The cars used were unchanged from when they were put into service by Edison in 1930. 4 of the cars were even older, being converted coaches originally used with steam locomotives until the conversion to electric power. 2 were built in 1925, 1 in 1920, and the oldest, a parlor car with inlaid wood paneling and wicker chairs used by a private commuter club, in 1912. While the use of 3,000-volt direct current in 1930 had been a technological breakthrough, using high-voltage alternating current has since become the most economical and efficient way of powering electric trains. The Aero 3 trains have a much smoother ride, better acceleration, and operate at 25,000 volts of AC power. These state-of-the-art cars feature reliable air conditioning as well as modern, efficient heating systems, Wide windows, indirect fluorescent lighting, reversible high-back seating, and modern restrooms on every train assure a relaxing and comfortable traveling experience. When New Jersey Transit placed alternating current-powered Aero 3 cars into service on the Morristown line, the Montclair branch, and the Gladstone branch that year, a new chapter in commuting in New Jersey began. The $460 million modernization of the Morris and Essex lines was unique in its scale and complexity. It was the first re-electrification of a passenger railroad in the United States.
Shop, look, and listen right here at WhistleStopUSATV.com.